Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good, isn't it? So, today we will learn in accountancy the ledger, the fourth chapter ledger we are learning, isn't it? Here in this lesson, I have asked you to do one problem and I have asked you to study some question answers. So, here I will do the problems, okay, because I have asked you to do the problems, that is exercise. I used to do the illustrations. Hereafter I will explain the illustration and I will do the problems. So today I will try to do the problems, okay. Exercise, ledger accounts. How to post the ledger from the journal entries we have learned, isn't it? So exercise 1 we will do, journalize the following transactions and post them to ledger. Okay, journalize the following transactions and post them to ledger. 2016 January 1 started business with the cash 10,000. Fifth date paid into bank 5,000. 7 purchased goods from Ram for cash. Question is, journalize the following transactions and post them to ledger. So first journal entries, then ledger accounts. Okay, first journal entries we have to write. Write journal entries, then date, particulars. I will write and put for 1 or 2 problems only this heading. Okay, then you have to write LF, debit, credit, rupees. Okay, first year we have to write. Year 2016. Then January. Then here 1. Started business with the cash. Here 2 accounts involved. One is cash, another one that capital, isn't it? So cash, real account, cash is coming in. So cash account debtor to, here the person's name is not given. So simply we can write capital account. Okay, then narration, started business. Okay, amount 10,000. Leave some space and start from writing here like this. Okay, left side you have to leave little space and the zeros may not touch each other. Then draw one line with scale and pencil. Okay. Then 5, paid into bank. Here cash we are paying into the bank, isn't it? So 1 is bank is receiver, so we need to debit. Bank account debtor. 2, what is going outside? Cash. Cash, everywhere you have to write A/C. Then paid into bank. $5,000. Then not below this one, next is 5. Next this 4 digits only. Then 7. Okay, next date 7. You have to write 7. Purchased goods from Ram for cash. So 1 is cash. Cash going out, we need to credit. What should be debited? Purchased goods means it is purchases. So purchases account debtor. To cash account. Purchased goods. For cash also you can write 1,000. Now we have to prepare the ledger accounts. So first you have to start from here. First account is what? Cash account, isn't it? So we have to start the cash account. In your notebook you have to use both the pages. Okay, first you write ledger accounts. Then first account is cash account. Cash. First letter capital letter. Then A capital letter. Then this left side you have to write debtor, DR. Then here credit side CR. Okay. Then all the heading you have to write. First date, then particulars, then JF. Okay. Then amount. Then one column only we will use. Okay, rupees. Again the same we need to write the right side also. Date, particulars, JF, amount. Here one column only we use rupees. Okay. Now you got to check the journal entry. Here what is the first entry? Cash account debtor to capital account. Here cash is debited. So in the cash account we have to write on the debit side. Okay. Debit side here to capital account. We should write in the same way to capital account. Before that we should write the date. Okay. 2016 January 1 to capital account. The amount 10,000. Okay. So we should write 10,000 in the amount column. Okay. Then any other cash available. In the next entry there is again cash. There cash is credited. So credit side by bank account. The same date. Okay. 5th date. So first you write the date 2016 January 5. Here what we have to write? By bank account. By bank account 5,000. 4 digit only. It should be correctly written. Okay. Then third entry, purchases account debtor to cash. Isn't it? Again cash is credited. So 7 by purchases account. Only date by purchases account. 1,000. Okay, we have written. If they balance them, then we can balance. Here they have not asked to balance. Okay, so next account, cash account we have prepared. The next account is capital account. So you have to write capital account. Capital account. Here you know the entry cash account debtor to capital, isn't it? So capital is credited. So credit side we need to write. Here everything you have to draw again. Okay. Everything we need to draw again and write. But for exam do not need to draw a line and all. Then you write this one and you directly post them. Because we will not get time to write each and every date, particulars, everything. Okay. So capital is credited. So we need to write on the credit side by the debit one, by cash account. Date 2016 January 1. Okay. Amount 10,000. That's all capital, isn't it? Then bank account. We need to write bank account. What is the journal entry? Bank account debtor to cash. So bank is debited. So debit side to cash account. Okay, date 2016 January 5. Bank cash account 5,000. Okay, that's all. Only one entry. Then bank over. Then purchases account. So purchases account. Purchases account. Don't draw like that. So what is the entry? Purchases account, debtor to cash. So credit debit side we have to write, isn't it? Date 2016 January 7 to cash account 1000. So all the entries we have posted. See all the journal entries. First cash account, then capital account, bank account, cash already posted, purchases. Okay, cash already we got posted. So all these there. This one they may ask for 5 marks. Okay. Then second problem, pass journal entries for the following transactions and post them to ledger. That we will do. First we will pass the journal entries. Okay. Second problem I will read out. Pass journal entries for the following transactions and post them to ledger. 2017 August 1. Dharma started business with cash. Cash received from Ganesan. Rent paid. Received commission from Anand. So we need to prepare the journal entries. First write the number 2. Journal entries you write. Only one page enough, isn't it? Journal entries. Okay. Then date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, rupees. First one, Dharma started business with cash. So we know cash account debtor to Dharma's capital account. Before that we write the date first. 2017 August 1. Okay. Cash account debtor to Dharma's capital account. Here name is given. So Dharma's capital account. Dharma started business. Simply started business. $70,000. Then draw one line. Okay, with the scale and pencil. Then number 6. Date 6. Cash received from Ganesan. So cash is coming in. So cash account debtor. To who is paying? Ganesan. So credit the giver. Ganesan account. Cash received. One short description only you have to give. Okay. So enough. What is the amount? 10,000. Then 10. Rent paid. So rent is an expense. So we need to debit. Then rent account debtor. What is going out? Cash going out, isn't it? So to cash. Then same thing, rent paid you write. 3,000. Then 20. Received commission from Anand. Here rent received. Here one is rent received. Sorry, not rent received. Commission we receive. Okay. So commission is an income. So that we need to credit. Then from Anand, that also giver only. We cannot credit two things, isn't it? So Anand you don't think about. Cash is coming inside. So what should be debited? Cash. Cash account debtor to commission received. Simply commission if you write also no problem. Commission received account. Okay, 5,000. Draw a line. That's all. Okay. Now we need to post all these things in the ledger accounts. First you write ledger accounts. Ledger accounts heading. Okay. For 2 lines will be there, no? Ledger accounts. Next one. First one we need to prepare. What is the first entry? First item, cash. So that is the account we need to prepare. Cash account. We need to use both the pages. That's say one word we are writing this side. Another one like this you have to write. Okay. Then write the heading, date, particulars. Then JF. Then rupees you can write. If you don't write amount also no problem. JF rupees. First one, cash account debtor to Dharma's capital account. First you write the date. Okay. 2017 August 1 to cash account debtor to capital. Simply capital or Dharma's capital. 70,000. Then cash. Sixth one, cash account debtor to Ganesan. So cash account debtor to Ganesan account. Ganesan's account or Ganesan account. Date 6. Amount 10,000. Write the amount correctly like this. Just below to 7. Okay. Then third entry. Rent account debtor to cash. So cash is credited. So credit side we have to write. Before that you start the date. 10. By rent. 3,000. Okay, then the last one, cash debtor to commission received. So, date 20 to commission received. You have to write fully, okay? 5,000. Okay, we can balance them. If they have asked 1 or 2 accounts, you have to balance. But just to post the means, you can post and leave it. Okay. Next account, capital account. Capital account, only one item will be coming this side, isn't it? 2017, January 1. Capital is credited. So, by cash account. 70,000. Okay. Then after cash account and capital account, the next journal entry is what? That cash received from Ganesan. Again cash account we have posted. Then now Ganesan account. We have to write Ganesan account. Cash account debtor to Ganesan. Ganesan is credited. So credit side we need to write date 2017 January 6 by cash account 10,000. Now Ganesan over. Now next one rent account. Okay, rent account. Rent account, rent debited. So debit side we need to write. So date we want to write 10. Rent account debtor to cash account 3,000. So that we have posted. Now received commission. So cash account debtor to commission received. So commission received account. Commission received account is credited. So credit side by cash. So write the date. August, isn't it? By mistake I have written many places Jan. Okay, by cash account 5,000. Okay, that is one problem. Okay, write the journal entries and here 5 ledger accounts. They will ask like this only. Okay, each one half mark. Here 4 journal entries, then 5 ledger accounts. So it will come around 5 marks. Okay. Now you draw a line and leave it. Then third problem we will do. The following balances appeared in the books of Vinod on January 1, 2018. Assets, cash, stock, amount due from Ram, machinery, liabilities, amount due to Vijay. Pass the opening journal entry and post them to Vinod's capital account. Okay. First we need to write the question number 3, isn't it? Then what is the question? Pass the opening journal entry. So you write opening journal entry. Only one page is enough to pass the journal entry, isn't it? So only one entry we need to prepare. Write everything, date, particulars, okay. Then LF, rupees. Okay. Now assets, cash account debtor. So cash should be debited. Cash account debtor. Then stock account debtor. Amount due from Ram. So Ram account debtor. Machinery 40,000. So machinery account debtor. Then liabilities. Liabilities means credit, isn't it? So we need to credit to amount due to Vijay. So Vijay account. Then now we need to enter the amount. Okay. Cash 40,000. Stock 50,000. Then Ram 20,000. Machinery 40,000. Now, Vinod, no, Vijay 10,000, that should be credited. Now you see, here the amount differs. Here 10,000, here many thousands, isn't it? So the difference we need to calculate, and the difference will be written as to Vinod's capital account. Vinod's capital account. Find out. Here 10,000. What is the difference? Here 90,000, 1,10,000, 1,50,000. So the remaining 1,40,000. Okay. Now you add here 1,50,000, here 1,50,000. Okay. Now you have to write the narration. Opening journal entry made, or opening entry made. Now post them to Vinod's capital account. So only capital account we have to prepare. So you have to prepare Vinod's capital account. Vinod's capital account. Account, here you have to write full form of that word. Okay. Write everything. Date, particulars, JF, rupees. Everything you write. Okay. So now we need to post this, since it is opening balance. We can write Vinod's capital shows credits balance, isn't it? So by balance brought down. Okay, date January 1, 2018. By balance brought down, in the capital account, how much is the amount? Credit side, capital 1,40,000. This amount only we have to write in the ledger account. 1,40,000. Understood? That's all. Now, I think next problem alone we can do. Prepare furniture account from the following transactions. So, on furniture account, number 4. Furniture account. So, what is the date? 2016, January 1. Going to write everything. Okay, date, particulars, everything. So, furniture, what is the entry you have to do in mind? Furniture account data. Here, furniture in kind, opening. So, to balance brought down 2,000. Okay, opening. So furniture shows debit balance. So debit side to balance brought down. Purchased furniture for cash. What is the entry? Purchased furniture means should not write for that goods. Okay, purchases. Simply furniture account data to cash. Again, same. Furniture debited. So debit side to cash account. Date, same date, 1. 4,000. Then sold furniture. What is the entry? Sold furniture means if we sell furniture, what we will receive? Cash. So cash account data to furniture. Furniture is credited. So credit side by cash account. Then date you write. 2016 January 30. Cash account how much? 400. So write here 400. Now we need to balance it. Since only one account they have asked, we will the total. Okay, balancing how we need to do? The larger total we have to write. Larger total is 6,000. both the side we have to write. Okay, 6,000. Now, lesser side we have to write the last date of that month, January 31. Now, by balance carry down. Balance carry down. The balance amount we have to write. Okay, in rough you can calculate. Otherwise, directly like this we can add and write 0, 0. We need to get to 0. So, which number should be added along with 4? 4 plus 6, 10. Balance 1, again 5. So, amount is 5,600. Double line you draw. Then, what we should write now? Next date is February 1. So, here below this amount line you have to write February 1 to balance brought down. This carry down will become the opening balance. Carry down means closing balance, January 31st. February 1, that is the opening balance. So, to balance brought down 5,600. Okay, this is one problem. Usually they will ask like this. Okay, any one account. So, I think by this today we can complete with this. Okay, 4 problems I have completed. You write all these things in your notebook. Okay, students. So, learn the question answers also. I will mark and give the remaining question answers later. Okay, students. Thank you very much.